What do I do? Where do I turn? Who can help?
How can I help you, my son?
Father, I've sinned.
Confess your sins and unburden your soul.
If I must.
You must.
I lost my job. The economy's killing me. I'm ashamed.
There is no shame in pouring out your heart. You may continue.
My car was repoed by the repo man. I'm on foot.
And?
I went bankrupt. I'm about to lose my home. I might.
Don't be afraid.
I might have to be a renter.
You're not alone. Many of us have been affected by the economy. I too lost my home. Arrived here by train. Filed for bankruptcy. And I too have been a renter. But there is hope. I just closed escrow on my new home. Hope is alive and well. 3 Hail Marys and call RESE Purchase Plus. The truth will set you free. The number's on the bottom of the screen.
Really? Father, the number right there? Is it that easy? Do you mean it?
Yes, it is really that easy. Now hurry, there is no time to waste. The end is near.
With RESE Purchase Plus, you're never alone. Really. RESE Purchase Plus, helping you rebuild towards homeownership.